Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make fresh watermelon juice. In this recipe, watermelon is the only ingredient. So first cut the watermelon into 2 halves. We're only going to need 1 half, so you can put the other half away. Now take that half and cut that in half. Now cut the watermelon half into small pieces. Remove the thick green skin. Do not discard the white rind since it's very good for health. Now you can chop the pieces into smaller pieces. You can do the same for the other part too. And remember, do not discard the white rind since it's very good for health. Before you use the blender to make the juice, always rinse the jar for a minute in the easy clean mode of the blender. Now this step is very important. Fill 1/4 of the jar with thinly sliced watermelon pieces. Grind them well. There is no need to add water to the drink. Once it has become into a juice, you can now use some of the remaining bigger pieces. After you grind it for a minute or two, your refreshing watermelon juice is ready to be gulped down. Now pour it into a cup and sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye!